Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from the Paytm, Meesho, and other important companies. So if you are the freshers looking for the important job, then this video is for you. So first important hiring from the Paytm, they are hiring for the role at the as a backend software engineer and LLM MOps. So this is a wonderful opportunity, especially if you want to learn. So if you want, you have to just apply now, and this is just a single opening is there, so there might be strong competition, so make sure to apply as soon as possible, and anytime the application might be closed. Next opportunity from the Meesho, they are hiring for the role of trainee social media, Bangalore, Karnataka, growth. Okay, so this is also wonderful opportunity. So as a trainee social media at Meesho, you will manage our followers and strong social media. Means kind of social media management is there. It is not a developer profile. So if you are interested in these activity, then you can apply now. Okay, I will provide the apply link in the description. You can just go through it. So this is also kind of support role. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the yes, they are hiring for the role of associate business analyst job, and job location is Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Indore. These are some important you can say location where you can apply. So skills for that you should have some experience, and freshers are not real. Means if you are from 2025 or have some experience, then only you can apply for this. So these are the requirement and skills that you should be self-motivated and proactive, should have experience working with US UK customer and other things. You can just go through it. Moving to next important opportunity, that is a kind of a remote job. Okay, so they are hiring for the role of front-end developer intern fresher. So if you are the freshers, then they are hiring for the location of Mumbai and Hyderabad. This is a hybrid job. Duration will be 6 months, and of course, this will basically boost your resume. Okay, so POX, you will get mentorship, live projects, flexible work hour, global exposure, and PPO opportunity. So if you are interested, you can just apply now. Okay, moving to next one from the Deloitte, they are hiring for the role of analyst onboarding Hyderabad. Remember, this is not Deloitte NLA hiring because that has already been ended. This is a kind of HR part role, means you will be responsible to onboard the candidates, and work location is Hyderabad. Shift is 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. So you should be flexible with this, and any graduates with some knowledge, some experience can apply only. Okay, technical knowledge of SAP will be the additional advantage. Next important from the defense internship alert. Okay, and INMA, that is the Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences, they are accepting the applications. Okay, and job location is Delhi, and duration will be 6 months. So in this you will get the stipend from 8K to 9K. So again, doing this you will basically, this will basically boost your resume. Okay, so make sure to apply all those job with updated resume. Next importantly from the high tech energy, they are hiring for the role of testing engineer in Gujarat, and salary can get 4.5 to 7.5 LPA. Skills required just basic, means electrical basic strong होने चाहिए, scheme drawings वगैरह, and you can say these are the things they clearly mentioned. If you are interested, you can apply. There are friends, recently TCS NQT result has been out, and many of the candidates also got the selections from our channel. So first of all, congratulations those who have selected, and just all the best for your journey. So if you want to be, means if you want to, means if you have any interview and want to fill the mock interview form, then you can fill. We'll provide you complete guidance which and provide you support which will help you to clear this interview. And all the best to the candidates who have interview for the next important news from the 366 PI. They are aiming for the role of junior software engineer freshers, and job location is Kochi. Location will be, sorry, Ranchi and Bangalore. And who can apply? Freshers, fresh graduates from BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, BSc, IT can apply. Required skill, you should have knowledge of .NET, React, or CS. And signing on skill, if you have, then you can just share your resume to this mail ID. And this is a wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this. Next important opportunity, that is from the Career Connects. They are hiring for the role of ERP configuration engineer. So these are the responsibility will support, troubleshoot, and provide technical guidance, system maintenance, and configure model. So if you're interested, you can apply. Next important opportunity, that is from the UIDI. They are hiring for the role of kind of internship. Okay, so if you are from the BE BTech background, then you can apply for this. Okay, so desired skill set is Golang, React JS, React Native, Java, C++. Means if you have any one of the skill, then you can apply. And intern, total number of interns are 10 plus 4, means around 14 will be there. So make sure to apply as soon as possible. And friends, the main thing that I want to tell you, keep applying for off-campus drive. Okay, don't depend on just a single company or a single hiring. Okay, For example, M3 has announced the hiring, so if you haven't applied, must apply. And those who have NQT exam, just best of luck, give your best. And कोई भी query है, we can connect on LinkedIn. Yeah, next video में. Thank you.